Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to find the number of cuboids. How are you finding number of rectangles in two-dimensional measurements? If you have, in the same manner, you should have to count the number of cuboids in 3D, three-dimensional. So let's see example here. How can you count the number of rectangles for two-dimensional figure? You have to take the numbers for the columns as well as rows. We need to add the column numbers and row numbers, and then we need to multiply. That is the short trick for finding number of rectangles. Number of rectangles means we need to count each and every square as well, because each and every square is a rectangle. In the square also opposite sides are equal. In the same manner, at the same time, each and every angle is 90 degrees. So in the question they will mention that. So as I said before, find the number of rectangles excluding squares in the bracket or including squares in the bracket. Including squares means this is the answer, 36. 6 into 6 is equal to 36 is the answer, including squares. Excluding squares means 36 minus number of squares we need to count and subtract. You know that. How can you find the number of squares? 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. That you should have to subtract. We will get the answer, number of rectangles excluding squares. So now they come to the point, we need to count here cuboids. What is the connection between these two? So how you are finding the number of rectangles in 2D, in the same manner we need to count the number of cuboids in 3D. So how we are taking here along y-axis numbering, we are giving along x-axis also. So how many columns are there here? So in the same manner, along x-axis how many smaller cubes existed? 3. This is the measurement. Along y-axis 3. Along z-axis 3. Now what should you have to do? We have to take the sum of all the numbers along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis. We need to multiply them indirectly to get the answer. So 6 into 6 is equal to 216 cuboids are there. I am not counting the smaller cuboids only. I am counting each and every smaller cube, each and every cuboids formations. You can, if you join two cuboids, it will form again a cuboid. This is also a cuboid. If you join 4 cuboids, column wise or row wise, if you join length wise 3 cuboids, that is also a cuboid. So we have to count each and every cuboid formations. So like that, if you count, we'll get a total 216 cuboids. Not only the smaller cuboids. Remember that smaller cuboids you can find easily, the unit cuboids. How many are there? 3 into 3 into 3. So but I have counted all the formations. 2 cuboid formations, 4 cuboid, 3 cuboid, 6 cuboids. So each and every formation of cuboids we have counted. So that is 216. So we got 216 cuboids. What is the simple short trick here? We need to add the numbers along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis, and we should have to multiply them. Simple. It is very easy. I think it's clear for you. So we'll see another one. We'll count here, then how much time it is taking. It is very less time to count that. In the same manner, how we are finding the number of rectangles in two-dimensional, the same manner. In the same manner, we need to count number of cuboids in 3D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the sum here? 10, 10, 10. So 10 into 10 into 10, which is 1000. So it takes only 2 to 5 seconds. No need to write the numbers also. So just we need to add 4, Sum of 4 numbers already that is smaller number. You already in your mind you can know that is 10. So 10 into 10 into 10, simple. Because all are equal. We can find easily if unequal also. No problem at all. Suppose it is 3 only. So take 6 here. 6 into 10 into 10. That is 600 in that case. If the measurements are unequal also, no problem. We can take the same process we can follow. Sum of the numbers along x-axis, along y-axis, and along z-axis, and then take multiplication. Simple shortcut. It takes only 2 seconds for you. I think it's clear for you. Just we'll say another one here, the bigger one. So just so the measurements are unequal here. Observe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes. So sum of these four numbers, you know, 10. So sum of first 8 natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1, n plus 1 by 2. You can follow that. You can use that. So 8 into 9 by 2 will get the answer. Sorry, 36. 9 not cancelled, 36. So here also 36, here also 36. So 36 square, you know that 36 square is 1296. So into 10 means 0. So 1296 0. It takes only 5 seconds for you, 5 to 10 seconds based on your ability of calculations. So if you know that already sum of first 8 natural numbers 36 square into 10, you can take directly 1296 and into 10 means 0 you can add at last. 12960. 12960 will be the answer. 12,960 cuboids are there in this figure total. In this way you can find easily the number of cuboids. I think it's clear for you. Thank you very much. We'll see in the next video again.